Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Shiva, powered by thrivelab.ca, where we help Canadian families build brighter futures with smart money strategies. If you've got kids, grandkids, or are thinking about going back to school yourself, today's episode is for you. We are talking about the RESP, Registered Education Savings Plan. Because let's be real, education costs are only going up. But there's a way to save smarter. What is an RESP? An RESP is a special account where you can set aside money for post-secondary education. The biggest advantage? Government grants and tax-free growth. When you contribute, the Canada Education Savings Grant, CESG, will match 20% of your contributions, up to $500 per year, and up to $7,200 total per child. That's free money toward tuition, textbooks, and more. Who can open one? Parents, grandparents, legal guardians. Even family friends can open and contribute to an RESP for a child. And the plan can stay open for up to 36 years, giving plenty of time to use it. How it grows. While the money sits inside your RESP, it grows tax-free. When the student withdraws it for school, it's taxed in their hands, which usually means little to no tax because students tend to have lower income. You can invest RESP funds in GICs, mutual funds, ETFs, stocks. So this is more than saving. This is investing in a child's future. What if the child doesn't go to school? You've got options. Transfer funds to another eligible child. Transfer up to $50,000 to your RRSP if you have room. Withdraw the contributions, you keep your money, but repay grants and pay tax on earnings. So even if plans change, the money isn't lost. Call to action. If you want to give your kids or grandkids a head start without draining your wallet, setting up an RESP is a brilliant move. And if you're not sure where to begin, or want the best strategy for education savings, insurance, and investment planning for your family or business, I'm here for you. Contact me directly and let's build a financial plan that brings your goals to life. Whether it's RESP setup, legacy protection, or smart investing, you'll have clarity and confidence. Hit subscribe to stay informed, empowered, and ahead of the curve. Got RESP questions or success stories? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear how your family is preparing for the future. And when you're ready to take the next step with insurance, investments, or education planning, or career in finance, contact me today. +1 250 859 2589. Next time, we're covering the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, what it means for your retirement and how to make the most of it. Thanks for watching. This is Finance with Shiva, making money make sense.